15,108. Here we are. Black History Month in the Northeast. Coming to you from New Brunswick, what they call Canada, on the beautiful Kingston Peninsula. Babaluai Anu Shabazala, Dr. Carbon, the Medicine Man. We're about to boss up. We're about to build the mind. We're about to level up. We're about to add on. We're about to bring civilization to civilize for the entire human family so that we can win without loss. For this 15,108 Black History Month, we're going to bring forth key Swahili. We're going to learn some key Swahili so that when we interact with people from the continent, key Swahili being one of the main languages spoken of on the continent, we'll have a way to interact and show some unity with them, some understanding in order to build that relation so we can share the generational wealth which exists within us, within the lands which we are on, within the minds in which we have, within the hands which we can build, and within the imagination that can bring forth everything into creation. The idea of one Africa includes diaspora, means the unity with the diaspora. So that word unity in key Swahili is Umoja. Umoja. Unity of the family, the community, the nation, and the race. Umoja is the first principle in the Nguzo Saba. These 7 principles from key Swahili are to teach us, to keep us on the right path, to bind us back to those things which provided us with the best, the most food, clothes, and shelter, safety and security and abundance which we could share with others. So the principle of Umoja is both principle and practice. You got to do it. Saying is not enough. Knowledge and wisdom without understanding is showing and proving nothing. Umoja, it's a harmonious togetherness, and that togetherness is central to the ethics, which is that magnetic force that determines behavior. Your ethics determine your behavior. Your behavior of the Umoja is shown in more than what you say, but also what you do, principle and practice. Practice proves everything. The family must reject harshness, must reject negativity. We must practice gentleness. When we want the full expression of Umoja, of unity, we have to have that gentleness. We have to put aside the harshness and the negativity. Not that we hide from conflict, but we find solutions. Families must stress this cooperation by avoiding conflict, which is in opposition to the goal. The goal of this Umoja, of the unity of the family, the community, the nation, and the race. So all of us win without loss. The family must be attentive to the things that would divide and be cognizant of those and work with those with the knowledge and the wisdom that can provide solutions to these conflicts. The Umoja and the unity of the father and the mother is especially important. The models for the children, the visual. What children see becomes real and becomes practiced by watching family, is what they're doing, is what they're practicing, is what they see carried out. And what they need to be seeing is the Umoja with the gentleness, without the harshness, and finding the solutions to the conflicts. True Umoja within the community, the nation, the family, and the race. Now, the intergenerational Umoja, yes, the children, yes, the parents, but one of the most important expressions of Umoja is the respect and the collective concern for the elders. To make sure that the elders are respected and seen as judges and reconcilers. It is they who hear the cases of conflict. It is they who hear the problems and they offer the solutions. This activates their knowledge and wisdom. And they give forth that so we can use that understanding to resolve the conflicts, to resolve the problems, to flex and boss up on the Umoja. So winning without loss can happen within families, communities, nations, and race. To win without loss. Swahili. This is Babalua Anu Shabazz Allah. Dr. Carbon, the Medicine Man. Pushing One Africa includes diaspora. Pushing Umoja. Pushing the Nguzo Saba. Pushing holistic living. Pushing win without loss. Pushing powernomics, generational wealth. Wellness. Love. You can't love everything, but you can be kind, compassionate, and happy. And if not, surround yourself with those who help add to it to bring forth the Umoja, resolving the conflicts and the problems, utilizing the elders, the intergenerational wealth of family. Stay tuned. 15,108. The year's wrapping down. It's going to be one heck of an end and one great start to 15,109. Peace from the Black Rose Nation.